And today the Huracan STO saga continues. We've got yet another product after a few words of introduction. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again, and also let me say hello to our crowd on Instagram. If you're not following us yet, please do so at DMC Luxury. So we're going to show you a new product today in this video, but please allow me kindly a few words of introduction first. If you don't want to hear that, that's awesomely fine. I'm going to leave you a mark where you can forward to. It's either going to be here or here on this side. So in the previous week or in the previous video, we basically showed you our first step into the Huracan Saga. And when I say Huracan Saga, that sounds so sounds like a big project, and actually it is, because we're going to make a couple of products. And why I say Saga is because these parts are not only for the Huracan STO, but they also will fit the regular Huracan. So while some of them might be Huracan STO inspired, a lot of them will actually fit both cars, but they're going to be very integrated into the existing Huracan STO design culture. Today's part is focusing on the front hood. I've also mentioned that in the previous video. Why the front hood? I think if you look at the Huracan STO, there's a couple of really significant parts that really make the car stand out. Of course, there's a big wing, there's a new bumper. By the way, leave me a comment below if you would like DMC to do a replacement bumper that looks like an STO bumper or even improved upon it. We've seen there's a big wing, there's the bumper, there was these fenders that I personally really love, the vented GT3 style fenders, but another really significant product of the STO must be that front hood. Now, I really don't understand why Lamborghini doesn't keep the front hood exposed. I'm pretty sure this part is in carbon fiber though. Let me say so much, because if I remember the previous generation of the Gallardo Super Trofeo, which I think we talked about that last week as well, STO, that's I think where the name game comes from, ST as in Super Trofeo. So if you think of the previous Gallardo, it had a lot of carbon fiber parts, but they are always painted unless you order them, but I think even in the beginning, this is not available, this kind of option to have them, to keep the carbon fiber parts exposed from Lamborghini. Again, leave me a comment below if you know more about this. But I definitely know from at least two of my friends who have ordered or even still own the Gallardo Super Trofeo. And I have to say, I'm not a big fan, but I see why people like it. So basically you look at the part, it's painted, but it's a very thin layer of paint, because basically you can still see how the carbon lines shine through the carbon fiber part. That is a little bit interesting design aspect. As I said, if some people like that, it's not too much for me, but for me, if it's carbon fiber, just do it exposed. What I still don't understand is, we just talked about it 2-3 minutes ago, the Huracan STO uses carbon fiber. We've seen the press photos. I'm gonna blend in one photo maybe here again as well. You see the carbon fiber. Why are they showing the regular straight linear carbon fiber? Because Lamborghini was the one that was strongly pushing forward with forged carbon fiber when the Huracan was it the Huracan or the Huracan Performante? But it definitely was the Huracan generation where Lamborghini really started to push the forged carbon fiber. And one of the parts that will be most exposed, besides those fenders that we showed you last time, sorry for repeating myself so often, is going to be the front hood. Now, we found some parts where you can still improve upon the front hood. And without talking too much, let me just directly dive into it and let me show you the products. You can use this hood as a front hood replacement for your regular LP610 580 as well, or for any street legal Huracan. So here's the product. It's a massive product, let me tell you that. The hood is not a small product at all. And let's go in and look at some details here. It's purely forged carbon fiber. I've said it many times. In the beginning, I was not a fan of this material, but now I really love it. The forged carbon fiber has this marble kind of structure and is super lightweight. I think this product today might be more for the customers who have a regular Huracan, who would like to achieve the STO look, So we've done the fenders. In this video we're showing you the front hood. We're getting there step by step. I'm already thinking whether we should do the wing and the front bumper as well, but as I said, leave me comments, and if you want it, we're gonna make it happen, that's for sure. The hood is a complete replacement. You don't need to modify your original hood. Yeah, you might smile at me now at the other side of the video at the television, but there is actually really some people that are asking you to modify your hood. I know this sounds ridiculous, but I have actually seen people that sending out little vents, little grills where they ask you to modify your hood. Not the case with DMC, but I think we've talked about this often enough. I'm really repeating myself a lot on this. So complete replacement. It's carbon fiber from 100%. It's in this case it's forged carbon fiber. We can do it in linear carbon fiber as well. Just drop us a note what you prefer. We can do color carbon fiber, whether it's going to be silver, red, blue, whatever carbon fiber you like. But maybe more interestingly is you can have the option to have it only on one layer exposed. So even though inside is going to be carbon composite, but you can have let's say on the outside a visible forged carbon fiber, on the bottom part you can either paint it or you can have it exposed as well. Let us know. We are totally into absolutely customize this product to your likings. And as I said, I think the installation process for this product is about 60 to 80 minutes. So this product is really awesome. It basically really swaps for your original Huracan hood. It's much lighter, it looks better, and you're gonna love it absolutely. I know there's already quite some hoods in the market. I think ours really stands out with this STO design, but please leave me a comment down below how you like this product. Also let me know how you like this video. Give us a thumbs up or like depending on the platform if you did like it. Leave us some comments, tell us what you liked or what you like to see in future videos. Or as you know, please also leave us a thumbs down if you didn't like the video, but in any case, please then also let us know why you didn't like something, because only then we can improve and give you better content in future. If you haven't done so yet, kindly do us a favor, not just like or unlike, but also please give us a subscription on the channel, leave us a comment, I've already said it, and maybe also turn on the notifications, because then you will be notified, as the word says, you'll get a message next time when we upload new videos. I'm going to show it to you right next to me. Let me just go over for a moment. Depending on the platform where you are, you can do this here, turn this on and on, and then next time you'll get notifications when we upload new videos. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for supporting DMC. No matter you're a customer, fan, or just friend, I'm really glad for everyone who interacts with us. This is our passion. We love doing what we're doing, and I hope to see you next time with a new video. See you then. Thanks for watching DMC Live. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching the video today. We've actually made a ton of other videos previously. Maybe some of them are interesting for you. I'm going to blend in some here and here. And if you haven't done so yet, kindly also help us and subscribe to the channel. You can do that up here. I'll see you next time with more video. Until then, thanks a lot.